Hello, everybody. Oral presentation English lesson 2. Please introduce myself, self-time, and put me inspiration in agriculture, the trails, divulgation, the water in agriculture. My name is Dairo Sauka Sauka. I live in Coconuco City. I live in the travel in the volcano. I like the coordination minute wide community. I I vary for its fish. Agriviendo is from Popayan City. Is and what is why is total payment and Israel is administration is in charge of the resguardo of Coconuco. In county is service of comforting void cabañas, bar and restaurant, and additional the room service of parent be the inhabitant of the area. You can make use of the push 20 for harvest, and they things and night the air facilitate gates excellent lighting. You can also enjoy is unite natural long ways in the world. You can the text the best typical of food of the region and now process of strawberry and blackberry cultivation for is way the harvest. Al las Warix is service de Thermalis Agurbiendo is Coconuco Ion, Daisy and Saigon in the cabins and white, my white Anson with wired be its tranquil and favorite of next baked sauce and yo in their books in the night in was their full is waters are sulfurated and gets yours. Take 1. Consume panel water with sheets. Tip 2. Shower is cool water before entering the pool. 3. And you the typical dish of the region the rain of troughs. Tip 4 was yes sun block. Tip 5 were comfortable and wore clothing. Tip 6 enjoy put oil and clean water with town Shimakauts. Tip 7 of the Mius sauna. Tip 3 of is natural solo water of science. Recommendation and have 6 on the house. The note is the house. It was full sulfur and curry for skin and dried shelf. Weather. The weather is agricultural. It's very cool. We find in phrase degrees. What you could do is what to what the hop spring you should. But book your is in time in the cabins. Revert to take camera. It takes care of the bin what carry.